flowers and roses, such would astound you. The joy of children laughing around you. These are the makings of you. It is true, the makings of you.
Boy, you remind me of my Gucci shoe. Hey divas, here today to review a new lash booster that I'm gonna try out. This one is XXX Lash Super Lash Booster. This is what it looks like. There's a cute little eye right there. I like that. The graphics on the box. The box is completely sealed. Let's see. It has expiration dates on here. The manufacturing date, 1/25/18, and it expires 1/24/2021. So, that's pretty good. It says 100% natural advanced serum, longer, thicker, darker lashes. You should notice a difference within 3 to 4 weeks, with full results in 12 to 16 weeks. If you miss a day, do not try to catch up. If you stop using, eyelashes will return to regular appearance over time. So basically, it's saying to us that when you stop using this, or if you stop using this, your lashes will go back to the way they were at first. So, I'm gonna try it and see how this works out. It says directions for safe use. Remove your makeup, contact lenses, and wash hands and face. Apply a single thin line evenly to the, I have my contacts on, I can't see a thing. Evenly to the upper eyelid at the base of the lashes once a day. The best application time is before going to bed. It is okay to use mascara in addition to XXX Lash. Store it in a cool, dry, and ventilated place. Rinse with water if applicator touches eye. So, I'm going to open this up. See what it looks like. Okay, it's in kind of a just plain silver and black bottle. If you can see that. Please excuse my nails, y'all. My ashy, dry hands. I'm gonna use some of my aloe vera stuff. Okay, it looks pretty much the same as the other one that I had. It has this clear type serum and a little brown brush. Eyelash and brow serum. So I'm gonna try this out on my eyebrow in the areas where it is a little thin, and I will post some pictures on my Facebook and my Instagram in a couple of weeks, and you will be able to see if my eyebrows have started going back in. So that's what I'm trying to achieve with this one. I'm currently using a serum on my eyelashes, so I kind of don't want to mix the two, together. So I'm gonna do this for y'all today. The information for this XXS, I keep saying XXS. It's XX Lash. XXX Lash. Brow and lash booster serum. So the details, I'm stuttering and stammering today, y'all please ignore me. The details are down below in the description. I was trying to stop for a second because it felt like I was feeling like a little tingling, and I think I am a little tingling. My eyebrow. So, like I said, I'm feeling a little tingling now. We're going to let this dry up, and I'll be right back. I want to check this out first.